Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the waving text tutorial on CapCut. So first, start a new project and add a white background from the stock videos, and then add the text that you want. For example, I'm going to just add the text, and then change the font color into black. Like this, adjust the size, and then after that you can export it, or you can just screenshot like I did, and then after that open the video, open the project that you want to add the text. Okay, I'm going to select this project for example, and then click on overlay, add the previous image you screenshot. Okay, this one, and then after that go to splice and then choose the one you see fit. Okay, overlay, I'm going to go with 100. No, I'm going to go with 55, and then after that adjust the size, and then go to video effects, and then select distortion, and here choose the ripple distortion effect, this one. Click on that effect, click on the check icon, and then click on object and click on overlay to make sure that the effect applied to the text. Click on the check icon, and now set the effects until the end of the video, or as you like. And you can also adjust the effects into your liking. You can adjust the speed and also the sharpen and the blur. After that, click on the check icon, and then lastly go to video effects again and add another effect. Now add the effect under the retro category, this one, retro category, and then select the doodle diary effect, this one. After that, adjust the effects and then the color, and after that just go back, click on the check icon, and then click on the object again, and make sure you need to click on the overlay to adjust the effect applied to the text. And here is the final result for the waving text. Oops. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you like the video, please click on the thanks below, thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.